and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, Charlie Puth here with a song called Light Switch. So this one is a cool song, very motivating when it comes to training. We have a new year now, so all the promises. This one is great for that as well. I believe you will burn some calories just to go through this song with all the strumming. So, great. Let's go. We have the capo set here on the 4th fret and we have 4 chords to learn. And these 4 chords will roll through the entire song in the same way. So that's great that as well. So let's go with the first chord. That is the B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. So that means the 5 strings. And then the rest will be 4th on the D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So that is the B minor. Next chord will be D. So that is the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The 3rd chord is A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And final chord is E minor. So E minor starts with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so like I said, this chords comes in the same order: B minor, D, A, and E minor through the entire song. Okay, so we will look at the strumming pattern, and that will work in the same way there as well through the entire song. So grab a B minor, that is the first chord, and the strumming will sound like this. So that is down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds for each chord. So B minor, 2 rounds. D, 2 rounds. Finally E minor, and this goes round and around this. Alright, so that is pretty much it, guys. The only exception for this one is on the pre-choruses, and we have them on 2 places in the song. First time is on about 40 seconds into the song. When you play the E minor there, in the lyrics, every time that I say I'm gonna walk away. So on that E minor on walk away, you just play 1 strumming round plus 1 down and a pause. And that's just before the chorus. So this E minor is played like this. And pause, and then you start the strumming again when the chorus comes right after. Okay, so that is on 2 places. Like I said, 40 seconds in is the first pre-chorus, and about 1:32 or 3 or so is the second pre-chorus. So that's that. And then we also have 1 bridge part, and this bridge part is 2 minutes and about 17 seconds into the song. You play still the same chords. The only thing here is you're just gonna play 1 down for each chord. And that is for 1 chord progression round, like this. And right after that comes the final chorus, and that is played, of course, in the same way as the other choruses with the strumming. So that was a couple of exceptions. Otherwise, just go with the strumming and burn some calories here on this song, guys. Good luck with this one. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, let me know. Thumb up. See you soon, and play tuned.